Let's see how to recover unsaved documents in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that your computer or your laptop suddenly turned off while you were working on a document and you forgot to save your document. Now, luckily, Microsoft Word has the function to save those documents, and you can do that by clicking on the File tab and click on Open. And right here at the bottom, you'll see the option to recover unsaved documents. Now, if you click on that, that will open up this window of your File Explorer, and Microsoft has the files that you forgot to save as temporary files. And right here, you can click whatever files you want to open that you forgot to save. And that is how you can recover unsaved documents in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.